Door dings, often caused by other car doors or shopping carts, can significantly diminish a vehicle's aesthetic appeal and value if not properly addressed. Opting for professional repair services guarantees that door dings are effectively and efficiently fixed, helping to maintain both the appearance and value of your vehicle. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to minor damages can prevent long-term issues, ensuring your car remains in top condition. Various techniques for repairing door dings are explored, with an emphasis on the benefits of hiring professionals. 1. Understanding door dings. These small indentations may seem minor, but can lead to more serious issues if left untreated. 2. Professional repair. Skilled technicians use methods like Paintless Dent Repair to restore the car's exterior without affecting the factory paint, preserving the vehicle's finish. 3. Traditional versus hybrid approaches. For larger dents, traditional repair involving body filler and repainting might be necessary, though it's more time-consuming and challenging to match the original paint. 4. Benefits of professional repair. Expert repairs ensure precision, maintain the vehicle's value, save time, and often come with warranties, making them more cost-effective than DIY attempts. 5. Choosing the right service. When selecting a repair service, consider the technician's experience, reputation, certifications, equipment, and pricing to ensure high-quality results. Opting for professional repair services guarantees that door dings are effectively and efficiently fixed, helping to maintain both the appearance and value of your vehicle. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.